Hello my friends, this is my car Toyota Prius 2017 and I would like to show you how I will clean the engine space. This space is a little bit dirty and I would like to clean it. I will show you how I will do it. Yes, you can see here is the dirty, and here, and also here and here. This is dirty. You can see it. Okay, and here also all things I need to clean. Here and what I will do now, what I have for it, what I will use cleaning liquid, brushes. I think that it will be very important for me. A sponge, this, and liquid soap, and of course water. And this is liquid soap, water, and one of the brush, and I need to clean it, so I think I will do it very good. Here is also very dirty in these places. And I think I finished my work today. I will show you a little bit better. I cover from here, and here I can clean my engine better. Yes, I can tell you this is not perfect, but I think it's enough for me. I want you, could you please write your comment, and what do you think about it? Is it clean or not? Right now I tried to make it better, but yes, it's not perfect. Yes, I think it's not perfect, but for me it's enough. And now I installed the cover here, and I will think it's very nice, like new brand car. Yes, what do you think about it?